Today I'll be unboxing and reviewing this Cozy Kiss blanket. First and foremost, I would like to say thank you to the company for sending me this product so I could go ahead and give you my full and honest review. So let's go ahead and check it out. You can see the blanket does come inside a box, and inside the box you will get this blanket inside this plastic cover. So let's go ahead and take it out of the plastic covers to see what it looks like. This is perfect for your pet, or if you know someone that is a pet lover, they will absolutely love it. It is so nice and soft. It is so cozy. I want to use it for myself. Let's go ahead and unwrap it and take a look at it. As you can see, it does have the brand name right there, Cozy Kiss. Very, very nice. The great thing about this is that it is also waterproof, so this is perfect for your little furry friend. If in case they do have an accident, the great thing about this is also it is machine washable, so you are able to wash this as well. But look at the beautiful print. This is available in a variety of different print styles. So nice and soft. Such an amazing blanket. Let me show you this side. It is a solid color. It's actually not a very large blanket. This is the width of it, and let me show you. This is the full size of the blanket. So let me go ahead and lay it out and let's see if Millie likes it. So I actually laid this out on the bed, and my dog immediately jumped on top of the little blanket. As you can see, this is the perfect size for her. So you can see she's laying on it already. She absolutely loves it. It is such a great material, so nice and soft. This is perfect for your pet. Overall, if you're looking for a good quality blanket, I would definitely recommend. Millie is ready for her nap. Millie decided to fully lay on the blanket. She absolutely loves it.